Welcome back to my channel and fraction learning series. Today we are going to explore a new type of fraction. So please stay tuned till the end of the video. Dear viewers, if you find my audio speed a tad slow, please adjust the playback speed to your liking. So without any further delay, let's start today's topic. Hello everyone, today we are going to do the next type of fractions, mixed number or mixed fraction. Whether it's a mixed number or a mixed fraction, from the name itself it is very clear that it is a combination of a number and a fraction. And it is also a continuation of proper and improper fractions. Now let's recall what are improper fractions. You can also see the video Type of Fractions Part 3. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. I am going to take up the same example which I had taken there in that previous video. When you say you ate 7/4 or 7/4 of a pizza, that means you ate 7/4 of the pizza. That is one full pizza and 3 more quarters. Now let's visualize. Here is one full pizza and it has 4 quarters. And here 7 means you need 3 more quarters. So here you are eating this full pizza and 3 quarters. 7/4 is same as 1 3/4. That is one full pizza and 3 quarters. Now this 1 3/4 is called mixed fraction. Now let's try to understand what are mixed fractions. So what is a mixed number or a mixed fraction? When an improper fraction is written as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, it is called a mixed number or a mixed fraction. Now the examples I'll give here: 2 1/2, that is called 2 1/2. 1 1/2, that is 1 1/2. 5 6/7. Now here 1/2 is a proper fraction and 2 is a whole number. So also here 1 is a whole number and 1/2 is a proper fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. 5 6/7. Here 5 is a whole number and 6/7 is the proper fraction. Let's take the example of some orange. Let's try to visualize. Here this is half of an orange and this is 1/4 piece. So this full orange and these two pieces together, it will make how much? 1 3/4. This is half and this is quarter. So there are 3 quarters actually. So it comes out to be 3/4. So one full orange and 3 quarters. Now another example here. This is quarter orange. This is another quarter piece and this is half piece. This all together becomes, you have learned that 2 halves make a whole, isn't it? But here these 2 quarters will make 1 half. So this half and this half together, you have one full orange. Let's take up the next example, visual representation of 5/2. Numerator 5 tells there are 5 parts of something and denominator 2 tells that whole is divided into half. We are going to take up example of orange again. Here there are 5 pieces of orange divided into half piece each. So in all we have 5 half pieces, and you know that 2 half pieces will make one full orange. So this is one full orange and this is another full orange. 5/2 will be 2 full oranges and 1 half orange. So we can write 5/2 as 2 1/2. And 2 1/2 is a mixed number. 2 is the whole part and half is the fraction part. So it's a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Now let's take up one more example, visual representation of 3 by 2, 3 parts of something divided in half. So here we are going to take 3 half pieces. Now you know that 2 half pieces of apple will make one full apple. So 3 by 2 is same as 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is the mixed number. How to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number without visualizing orange, apple, pizza as you did in the previous case. I am taking here 3 by 2, an improper fraction 3 by 2. You have to see 2 goes in 3 how many times? It goes 1 time. I can write it like this also. 2 by 2 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1 remaining. So 3 by 2 I can write it as 1 by 2. Now let me take up another example, 26 by 7. Now you have to see 7 goes in 26 how many times? So 7 will go how many times? You have to take 7 plus 7 plus 7. So what do you get? 7 plus 7 plus 7 you get 21, and 26 minus 21 will give you 5. So this 26 by 7 can also be written as you are getting 3 sevens. So 26 by 7 is 3 whole number and the remaining 5, which is the fraction part, 5 by 7. So this is the proper fraction and this is the whole number, and both together we call it as a mixed number. How to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction? Let's first take an example, 3 5 by 7. Now to get the numerator of the improper fraction, you have to multiply the denominator of the fractional part. As you know, this is the whole number part and this is the fractional part. So you have to multiply the denominator of the fractional part and the whole number part, and then add that to the numerator of the fractional part. So here you have to multiply these two, add it to this, that will give you the numerator, and denominator will be the same as the denominator of the fractional part. So what you need to do is you will write the denominator first, 7 is the denominator, and then you find out what is the numerator. So here 7 times 3 plus 5, which will give you 26, that is the numerator. So the improper fraction is 26 by 7. Now take another example, 4 2 by 5. So here the denominator is 5. So first you write the denominator and later you multiply 5 times 4 plus 2, that will give you 22, and 22 is the numerator. So the improper fraction is 22 by 5. I hope you understood all the type of fractions which we have done so far. Unit fractions, like and like fractions, proper and improper fractions, mixed fractions or mixed number that we did today, and one more we will be doing in the next video, that is equivalent fractions. So please do join me again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye everyone. Take care.